On a lot of cruises, and Disney cruises in particular, people will decorate their cabin doors for fun and to help identify their room more easily. So we have decided we're going to make a pin trading board for our cabin door. I start by cutting a 1-foot square piece of foam core. I then peel off the paper from both sides of the foam. This will prevent any warping from glue or paint. Jody already had this Mickey head-shaped template because, of course, she did. We do lots of crafting of Disney things. So I used it to mark the foam core. I then used a compass set to the radius of the circle to find the center point. Then I pulled out my hot wire cutter and adjusted the wire and attached the spindle for the circular jig. Now, if you don't have a hot wire cutter, I recommend getting one. It makes cutting foam very easy and will definitely motivate you to do much more crafting with foam. After I got mine, I built all kinds of things out of foam. This one from J&JTravels was fairly cheap on Amazon, less than $90, and it works perfectly fine. You don't have to get a fancy one. But you can make these cuts using a sharp craft knife or X-Acto knife if you don't have a hot wire cutter. Next up, I took 2 of these 1/16 inch self-adhesive corkboard sheets that we had gotten at Michael's, I think, and attached them to the foam. This can be a little tricky on this second sheet to get the seam just right, but it'd probably be easier if you just bought a big, like 1-foot square piece of the corkboard. I then cut off the excess corkboard with a fresh craft knife blade. and even with a brand new fresh blade, there was a little bit of tearing, but not too bad. Next up, I traced out a cardboard backing to give the board a little bit more structure so it was firm. Jody helped me hot glue the cardboard to the back of the foam as we had to be quick before the hot glue set up.
Okay, try it.
Trimmed.
You think it's still hot enough?
Yeah, it feels like it was.
Lastly, I hot glued a few magnets to the back and tested it on the fridge. Jody added the take a pin, leave a pin sticker, and our pin trading board was ready to decorate our cabin door. Please subscribe to the channel, check out some of our other videos, and thanks for watching.